I'm about to show you guys the best entry model in the market right now for momentum trading, and this allowed me to catch massive moves like this in the last few months. This entry model is called the undercut and rally, and all you're looking for is a stock that's going up and uptrending above the moving averages. Then you want to look for it to start going sideways like this, and instead of breaking out and playing an upside move like this, you're going to wait for it to actually break the lows of the base, reclaim, and then go higher like this. All right, so you can see in this example, this stock right here has been uptrending the last few days. It's setting up in a super tight flag, but instead of buying the breakout at the highs, you can see this stock ends up taking the previous day's low out right here, hitting the 50 EMA, reclaiming it, and pushing all the way back up to the high of day. Now, instead of taking an entry at the high right here, your entry is going to be right when the reclaim of the previous day's low. You want to be able to map this out on the daily time frame, and the moment you do that, we could switch over to the 5-minute time frame to get our entry. Coming down to the 5-minute time frame, you can see we have our key level right here on the daily that we drew, and now we could see a little bit more on the lower time frames. The moment we start to reclaim over this level, this is going to be our entry right here, and then our stop loss goes to the low of the day. You can also buy the stock as it retests the undercut and rally, and then do the same thing, put the stop loss at the low, buy right here, and then you're targeting the previous day's high. Here's another example in this super strong stock right here. You can see it's made a massive move up. It's set up in this super tight base right here, and then instead of playing the breakout right there, you were actually looking to buy the undercut of the base. So it undercut into the moving averages, reclaim that level, and then made a massive move higher. All right, so going down to the 5-minute, this stock right here ends up breaking the previous range lows right here, and then it reclaims. That's going to be your entry right there. Another good thing to look for is volume. If there's some volume coming in on the stock as it's reclaiming the level, that's usually a pretty good sign. You can put your stop loss at the low of day. You have a tiny risk on this position with an almost unmatched kind of upside. This is pretty much uncapped if it continues to go higher here. If you want to learn more about this strategy and how I make over 6 figures every single month in trading, just comment the word strategy down below and I'll send you a free PDF going over my entire strategy alongside this undercut and rally strategy.